And we're back. All right, ready for another unboxing. I took the outer box out, and this is very well packaged. Hold on, folks. There we go. It's not as hard as it made it sound, but all right, folks. I've got tea in the background. It's already boiled up. Need to take a sip of it, so I will not keep you for too long. And this was very nicely wrapped. I've got two wonderful special surprises. This was actually from one of BRY'S Comics. Is what was it? The $250 mystery box program that he runs. Anyways, I'm very glad that I did it. It was fun. Can't do it every month. Can't do it every other month. But let's see what I've gotten here. Sweet. Sweet. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here we go. We've got the certificate of authenticity. BRY'S Comics has issued the certificate. Let me put this up the right way. To authenticate this copy of Spider-Gwen Annual 1, BRY'S Comics edition with cover art by remarkable, obviously, Raphael Grassetti. Number 315 of 950 copies in existence. Follow at BRY'S Comics at YouTube and whatnot, and you all know how that goes. And so this is BRY'S Comics edition. Carla Pacheco and Stephanie Phillips story. 9.8 wide pages. Spider-Gwen Annual number 1. And it is certainly well presented. All right, let me see if I can take this out of the sleeve. Hold on, folks. Let me do a little. There we go. All right, that didn't hurt at all. Certificate of authenticity. I'll put that to the side. Give it its wonderful, hopefully less glare. The glare is going to be there. I got an overhead light. Nice. Nice. It was fun. I know that there are some people that complain and folks out there that need to cachet, but I ain't got a damn thing to say except thank you, Bry. It was awesome. It was fun. And yeah, I wasn't one of the winners of the top prizes, but I also didn't need to be. If you enter the contest with only thinking that you're going to be the winner of whatever the top 5 or 10 prizes were, then you kind of played yourself on that one. It's not how these things work anyways. Again, I don't do these very often and for any particular seller, but I do like Rossetti's work. And I could, and so I did. And this is a certificate of authenticity as well. This is, what is this? 6 of 666 or 616? I'm not sure what number it is. Of 950 copies in existence. This is of course, we're going to put that to the side. That's the BRY'S box of mystery. The grand prizes of there were 9 of them, yeah. All right, well, actually, I think I can show that there's nobody's personal information on it. There we go. Yeah, it was fun. Let me see what we got here. The 9.8, Venom 25. Look at that cover, though. I mean, I like to read my comics, and I keep my Raws for that, but and my Omnis. But this is really nice. I can also admire a great cover, though. Raphael Grassetti. Wow. Wow. Sergio Davila, Sean Parsons, Cafu, Ken Lashley, and Julius Orta. Oh, no, it's a Ken Lashley and Julius Orta art. That's right. But the cover... Yeah, no, that was a Grassetti cover. Yeah, I was like, for a second there, I know his artwork. That's not Lashley. Oh, there we go. And... yeah, Grassetti, of course. All right, my doubts have been assuaged. And a thank you card, of course, for the purchase. That's lovely. You're more than welcome, Bry. And so there we go. Spider-Gwen, Venom, 2 9.8s. Just lovely to add to the PC. All right, this has gotten past the time I wanted. I'm going to go drink my tea, and I've got Star Trek lined up to I'm going to go watch one of the episodes of Enterprise. All right. one of the fun things to do late at night. Take care, y'all. Bright moments. Be safe out there. And there's the last parting shot.